Hello all, welcome back to our channel Family on Roaming. Today we are going to TELUS Spark Science Centre in Calgary. TELUS Spark Science Centre aims to ignite a passion for science, technology, engineering, arts and math through hands-on exhibit, educational programs and live demonstrations. Tickets can be purchased online or at the door. Prices vary for adult, seniors, youth, and children, with discounts for families and groups. Annual memberships offer unlimited access to the Science Centre, discounts on special events, and early access to new exhibits. Did you know you can visit TELUS Spark for free if you are a new immigrant to Canada? Thanks to the Canoo app, I got free admission to TELUS Spark. The Canoo app is an incredible perk from the Institute for Canadian Citizenship, offering newcomers free access to over 1,400 attractions across Canada. If you are new to Canada, make sure to take advantage of this amazing benefit within your first year of PR. Just download the app, sign up, check your eligibility because it may vary, and show the barcode at the entrance. TELUS Spark is fully accessible with elevators, ramps, and designated spaces for wheelchair and strollers. The center is committed to providing an inclusive environment for all visitors. Now let's check out all the exciting activities and things you can do at TELUS Spark. Pixelarious VR Zone.
Now, you don't need to use your hands or arms at all, so we want to keep those by our sides. And we use our head, and any way that we look is how it's going to spray. Anytime we're moving around the space using our walking feet, please, absolutely no running. Does everybody understand?
A virtual reality zone that provides immersive VR experiences, ranging from adventurous games to education explorations. Some experiences may require additional tickets or reservations. Creative Kids Museum, a hands-on area for children under 9, featuring water play, a climbing wall, building stations, and other interactive exhibits designed to inspire creativity and curiosity. Open Studio, a creative space where visitors can engage in DIY projects, design challenges, and maker activities using various materials and tools. Being Human. This gallery explores human biology, psychology, and social science with interactive displays about the brain, genetics, emotions, and how humans interact with each other. Energy and Innovation showcases renewable energy sources, sustainability projects, and future technologies. Visitors can engage with exhibits about solar power, wind energy, and more. TELUS Spark is packed with fascinating exhibits spread across 2 main floors, each offering unique experiences. Now, let's take a glimpse at all the interesting activities you can explore here. Space, an experience beyond Earth. It's an immersive journey into the wonders of space, from distant planets to the latest space missions. with interactive displays and stunning visuals. This exhibit lets you experience what it's like to explore the cosmos, perfect for space lovers or anyone curious about the universe. The Dome Theatre, a 360-degree immersive theater that offers a variety of shows, including science films, planetarium experiences, and laser shows. The theater is equipped with a state-of-the-art projection system that brings educational content to life. The shows typically last between 20 to 45 minutes, and the theater offers a new show every 30 to 60 minutes throughout the day. Make sure to check the schedule when you arrive so you don't miss out on a cosmic journey or fascinating educational film. AI. During my visit to TELUS Spark, I explored the fascinating AI exhibit. This interactive space dives into the world of artificial intelligence, showcasing how AI is shaping our future. With hands-on displays and thought-provoking installations, it's a great way to learn about the latest innovations in technology and how AI is influencing everything from art to daily life. An on-site cafe that provides a variety of meal options, including healthy choices, snacks, and beverages. It's a perfect place to take a break and refuel during your visit. Brenasium Outdoor Park, an expensive outdoor adventure space featuring a massive climbing structure, a giant 63-foot slide, and various other play elements designed to encourage physical activity and problem-solving skills. The Spark Store, a gift shop offering a wide range of science-themed toys, educational kits, books, and souvenirs. It's a great spot to pick up something fun and educational to take home. Inspirational Stage. Another highlight of my visit was the Inspirational Stage, where engaging talks and live demonstrations take place. It's a great spot to catch inspiring presentations on science, technology, and innovation. One of the best things about TELUS Spark is that there's always something new to explore. They offers a variety of changing activities throughout the year, like school programs, workshops, and camps. They have adult nights, they do birthday parties, and private events. They have seasonal activities, beautiful picnic areas, and public art installations. With so many rotating exhibits, workshops, and special events, there's always something exciting happening at TELUS Spark. Additional amenities, washrooms, and water refill stations are available. Free Wi-Fi available throughout the main building and certain areas of Spark Park. Parking. Ample on-site parking, including spots for electric vehicles with charging stations. The parking rates at TELUS Spark is $10 per day. With so much to see and do, TELUS Spark is the perfect place for endless discovery and fun. Whether it's your first visit or you are coming back for more, there's always something new waiting for you. So come, explore, and get ready to spark your curiosity. If you like my video, do subscribe, like, and share this video and get notified for more videos. Thank you for watching.